Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to work with concrete leveling tripods. It's really new method and not every professional work with this, and I want to show you how to easy work, how to save money, how to save time, and how to make very nice level in your project. So let's go. I want to level this area, already prepare put pieces of backer board, you see, and screw it to the plywood, put caulk to avoid any leaking, put foam around the wall, and here is, you can see how high foundation is, and also I have to go to this side, this stairs going down like this, and there's the empty spot I cover with backer board, then I will cut flat with self-leveling compound. This side I'm grinding, here is there was everywhere tile and they remove it. Now I'm just smooth it out, take the whole grout, and then I'll see with tripods how it should be. So now I want to show you how I found the right spot. So for example, I'm using this 4D laser level. You see, this laser level has bottom transmitter which is 6 millimeters from the bottom. Very easy to find the highest spot. So you see, if it's green, it's high spot. My goal, find the highest spot and then make one level all this room with this highest spot. I'm just for me very important, this is the, you see, here is the highest spot. I want to rise a little bit up, because when it's this green disappear, it's almost, you see, here is the green, it should be even. This is green, and now you see around everywhere line. Here is 0, you see, but here is, you can see the line, how it's high. So now I want to install tripods, and you see how the high here. I want to install tripods and we will see where is the highest spot, where is the lower spot. Before show you how to do this leveling, I want to introduce this concrete leveling tripods. I have special offer. If you buy 12 concrete leveling tripods, you can get this spike shoes and this spike roller for free. This package looks like this: 12 tripods, spike shoes and spike roller, and I will ship your order same day or following day within United States and Canada. Okay, go ahead. So laser level there, you can start set up. Tripods. So right here, you see the line here, so we have to lift this plate up. You see, when it's lying right here, exactly on the edge of this plate, this is the level. I'm going to the other side. Up, exactly. Down, 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 right here. Okay. One, another one. Oh, exactly. So I will put some stuff. Okay. Here is almost zero. Oh, okay. I can put zero. Right here. A little bit. Right here. And right here. Like this. Okay. Just a little bit. Now we're going to the other side. So, this. No. Okay. Oh, let's go. Let's go. What we have around here. Oh, and here, and here. Like this. Okay. Right here. Okay. Now you can see I set up all this area. Here should be just I just cover this foundation gap, make it nice and flat. And here, most of sides, you see, this is it's big space here. Here is a lot need to put. You see. But other side, like I showed you, here is a 0. Here is not much. Okay, go ahead. I spent around 15-20 minutes to set up all this area. Now we can start leveling. Very easy. I just check any leaks, so make sure when you put self-leveling compound, it's, you just have to pour it by this middle plate, not higher. In deep area I can't roll it because spikes only 1 inch, but this area is around inch and a quarter, so comfortable I can roll it by the 3/4 inch with this spike roller. So in this case I am doing waves. Spread concrete to all direction, and some spots, you know, lower and higher disappear and make it okay. It's the same idea like when I'm rolling. When I start this video I told you I can tell you how to save money, so it's really, if you're using tripods you will save money, because if you doing leveling by your eyes only, you never know where is the lower spot, where is the high spot, and some places you can add more
than needed. So if you add more than needed, you can just pay over than needed, you know. So this tripod exactly showed you where the need to add more, where you need to put less. It's just work like this. For this area I spent only 14 bags. When I did estimate, I just said to contractors, so here is need to around 20-25 bags, but in real it just 14. So you see how you can spend more if you just not using special professional tools. I always keep with me caulk, and if I see some holes and when it's concrete start leaking down, you will see it. I just fill it up these holes. First of all, it saves your material, and second, if you can see this leaks, sometimes it can leak to very important place, you know, or downstairs, to the lower level where the people live in, so it make a big mess. So always keep it with you because it's needed. This method, what I am doing with tripods, it's very new, and I mean it's like few years only when I'm start using it, and I'll try to explain for many people how to use, easy to use, and how you can save money, how you can save time. Just every single video, new video, I'm trying to be more detailed, and I hope you start to use it. This tool is very good for professional and also for do-it-yourself as well. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.